Yeah. No mustard, mayonnaise. Yeah. Oh, it's on? It's on now. Okay. Guys, if you're watching this, sorry about that. You missed the first question. Which power is a responsibility of the Virginia General Assembly? Once again, the 9-box chart is here to save the day. All right, this thing is so valuable. If you haven't memorized it yet, do so. Do yourself a big favor. First off, we look at the General Assembly. We know that it is legislative branch. So we know that they make laws, and they make laws for the state. So which power is a responsibility of the General Assembly? A, judicial review. Look at the branches of government. There's a judicial branch. So judicial review is probably something for the judicial branch, if you didn't know that already. But we've learned that, so you for two reasons you shouldn't get this one wrong. All right. Approve the state budget. That's looking good. Let's go down to regulate the economy. Does the legislative branch do a lot of regulating? Well, they make laws, but not so much regulating. That's more of the job of the executive branch, which is enforcing laws, regulating them. Regulate is sort of can kind of be a synonym for enforcing or carrying out. Administer the state bureaucracy. Look again in your executive branch. Bureaucracy appears in at the national level and at the state level. So D is not going to be a good choice. The best choice is B. Approves is a word that is associated with the legislative branch because the legislative branch approves a budget. They approve presidential appointments. When you see the word approve, think legislative branch.